It's an e-learning platform available in 3 different languages, English, Arabic, and Spanish. It's a very new initiative that will be launched in September 2019, this month, and we'll talk about how to become a Palestine ambassador through learning from audiovisual materials, especially documentaries about Palestine. Anybody can be Palestine ambassador, because Palestine is not only for Palestinians or only for Arabs or Muslims. It's a justice cause, because injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This is why Palestine needs ambassadors. Anybody from any nationality, any age, any background, but believes in human rights and justice can be Palestine ambassador.